Pacific systems that are rolling our way the next couple of days are going to keep us in a mild zone. So near seasonable conditions will keep you in the 50s at least through Friday. Forecast wind gusts, you can see here, we're forecasting those temperatures and that are going to cool off into the 30s with gusts to 50 or so in Boone by early tomorrow morning. And this is where we're going to feel much colder, more like the teens, thanks to those high wind gusts. Also seeing some sporadic outages. You could get a couple of small trees coming down, and then you've got power lines also. And don't forget about those mountain passes. You need to watch for the high profile vehicles. We're talking about tractor trailers and also the RVs. A little bit of trouble controlling their speed with those winds. All right, forecast wind gusts way down by early tomorrow evening. So we do see progression throughout the day that will lose the wind. Until 6 a.m. it includes Mount Airy, North Wilkesboro too. Gusts there may be as high as 40 miles an hour. Suspect that we'll get there in the next 3 to 4 hours until about 2 a.m. and things improve gradually. Tried wind gusts about 25 miles an hour. You're below the advisory criteria. Still though enough to knock around any loose trash or loose recycling that you might have out in the yards. All right, looking at our pressure, you can see here tighter pressure gradients, and that's because we've got an upper low kind of sweeping in front off to the south and east and a ridge of high pressure trying to build in too. So what do we have? We've got those winds out of the west, 5 to 15 miles an hour, at times 20 miles an hour sustained on top of those gusts that are at 37 in Gay Lex. We've got you at 29 in Greensboro, Uptown Lexington at 18, 23 in Asheboro. And we're looking at wind chill values that are more intense once you head west of the foothills. So 27 for feels like temps in Jefferson to 29 in Boone. Winston-Salem and Greensboro, we've been enjoying those 50s. Those forecast wind chills from Elkin out through Mount Airy, Stewart, and Yadkinville will dip into those 30s tomorrow morning. We'll also play around with the 20s, we believe, until we get you into Thursday afternoon where things improve. Lots of sunshine, feeling good, and those winds eventually calming down before the next system. So your 12-hour forecast, 33 degrees, taking you all the way to 54 in High Point out through Forest Oaks and into Burlington tomorrow afternoon up through Reedsville. Your winds, notice, dropping off pretty quickly between 6 and 9 a.m. They're down to 5 to 10 throughout the day. Light cool breeze. So we're not expecting warmer than average temperatures, but 52, we'll take it. Sunshine, no problem. 28 degrees in the mountains may feel like the teens at times with those high gusts to 50 until about 6 a.m. where the advisories drop off. And then we've got you at 46 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Rain chances at 20% in the Friday afternoon time frame with dry conditions Saturday. Sunday, evening showers turn into good rain chances for Monday, and that's what leads us to your impact days. Monday and Tuesday, notice your impact symbols are on for good opportunities above 40% chance of rain, and soaking rains could bring in half-inch totals with 60s for Tuesday. Then we're at 48 on Wednesday. And this weekend is dry, but we may see a mix of clouds rolling through too.